So, starred. Last box 196. Yes, I do, brother. We are good to go. Got it. Scratch out 196. All right, guys, on the dice roller, we are 7 times. Top box, good luck. Here we go. What up, Jalen? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7th and final time. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. Boom. Box 203. 7 times, box 203. You done with 203? Yeah, you know me. Updated jersey list. Last box. 203. And there we go. All right, let me go grab 203, guys. In the 200 run. With Double J. You got to jam that, Double J. All right, guys, 203. Good luck. With Shanae, Nay, and Double J. Starting out with Sammy Bennett for the Flames. Good luck, guys. Sammy Bennett for the Flames. Next up for TOR, David Clarkson for the Leafs. Uh-oh, we got a monster. We have an RR. We got a reverse retro, baby. Authentic Pro reverse retro for Montreal, Shea Weber. Sick reverse retro for those Shea Webb. For MTL. Reverse retros, they're nice but expensive. Hopefully they settle down a little bit in price after a while. I don't know if they'll just keep them jacked up or not. No, eventually it would have to go down, right? Like a regular one. I guess when the excitement wears off, maybe. I don't know. Oh. All right, let's look up the jersey owners. Oh, Weber's, yeah, Weber's sick. Yeah, the reverse retros are amazing. I'll take that jersey out, Joe, so you can see it. So you guys can see that web. I'll take it out here in a minute. AJ jersey. I need to do that. Sammy Bennett. Sammy Bennett is Shannon. Shannon E in the place to be. And we got Kelly's brother. Let's see who's got Kelly's brother. Sci-Fi, that's right. Sci-Fi got him at the end. That's right, duh. And Shea Webb. See who's got the Webski. Shea Weber. Let's check it out. Shea Webb. CBI. Nice. There you go, Colin. There's Webb. CBI had the web. I'm going to take the web out just to show it. See if the reverse retro looks like. I'll take care of it, CBI. Don't worry. Don't worry, CBI. Don't worry. Alright, let's see how this bad boy looks. Oh. Brandon Cooks out of 99. Brandon Cooks out of 99. Plastic down. Authentic, baby. Reverse retro. It's just base. It's just base. So there's the reverse retro Shea Weber. AJ certified, of course.